Today I'm with Sajid. We are going to start our series of informative videos together. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
You know, it's been a long time. We were planning to start some informative videos together, but finally we are in one frame and it is our first video. So let's
Yes.
start.
Okay, are ready?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, what's the citizenship of Turkey? Okay, by real estate investment.
Yeah, Malik, you know that many countries in the world
Okay.
they are offering citizenship and residency by real estate investment. Some of them are offering with direct donation. So right now in this video we are going to talk about particularly Turkey. So citizenship of Turkey by real estate investment means when you are going to buy an immovable property with the minimum $400,000 budget or more, you will be eligible to apply for the citizenship of Turkey. In this regard, we have to, our client has to buy any apartment, villa, or any construction land. They will be eligible to apply for the citizenship, and if they fulfill all the needs and all the desires and all the rules set by the Turkish government, they will be eligible to get their citizenship.
Second question. What's the criteria to get it?
You know, it is very interesting question. Normally people believe that if we invest in real estate, then we will be able to get the citizenship. But there are other options as well. Citizenship by real estate investment is so popular. And we are also going to talk about this opportunity only. So let me tell you that as you know that recently government is going to change the policy for real estate investment threshold. Maybe they can change it $600,000. Some people are saying $700,000, but currently it is not like that. Now we have to buy any apartment or any villa or any immovable property with minimum $400,000. So once you are able to get your property on your name, after that your lawyer is going to apply for the citizenship. So it is quite easy. The most important thing is to select the project and to finalize the unit which you are going to buy it. It could be under construction, it could be ready to move. It's entirely up to the need of the client.
Let me ask you third question. What document we need to get it?
Turkish government is not going to bother you by asking so many documents. It is quite easy, particularly your passport, your pictures, your family registration certificate, like showing your family tree. And if you are married, your marriage registration certificate and your birth certificates. That's all. Rest of the documents you have to show, for example, your title deed, your domicile belgesi, and your tax number. So the basic documents they are asking you only to provide that are showing your nationality, your name, surname, and your parents' name. So it is like everybody has such kind of documents.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Last question. What kind of services we are offering?
Actually, we are very proud to announce that we are serving from A to Z under one roof. Like we are offering one window operation from visa consultancy to buy the ticket and to pick up from the airport, to manage their accommodation, their bank account, their tax number, selection of the property and title deed transfer, application for the citizenship until the approval of their citizenship, and as well as their settlement if they want to move from their home country. We are offering all services under one roof. That is the distinction of our company, that we are proud to offer from A to Z.
It's great.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you in next video. Bye bye.
Thank you.